How to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the Discord app, please make sure that your app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your Discord app. Now let's just head on and open Discord right here. And if you're currently on a certain text channel or in a certain conversation, just click on this 3-bar line at the top left corner so we can see the menu options right at the bottom. So let's just click on the second button right here, that is a friends page. So this is where you can see the friends list, the friend requests, and also this is where you can add certain Discord users. So I made my other Discord account block this current account I am using to see what really happens when you are blocked by a Discord user. So to tell if someone blocked you on Discord, let's just click on this button at the top right corner. The second button right here, let's click on that. And what we're going to do is to try and add that friend that you suspect have blocked you. So I'm going to search the username that I used to block this certain account. So I'm going to search up their username. And we are going to try and send a friend request to them. And if that person blocked you, this should pop up. Friend request failed, and this Discord will pop this message up. Double check that the capitalization, spellings, any spaces and numbers are correct. But this actually tells that certain Discord user has blocked you. So yes, that is how to tell if someone blocked you on Discord. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.